In this video we are escaping into the Swedish woods. Yeah, we're going in deep in the forest outside Gothenburg. We are escaping the city life for 24 hours. So join me for an adventure in the Swedish woods. We are now currently in a small town called Diseröd, and we are planning to hike to a place called Lilla Edet. So will be a good hike, a good adventure, good local adventure in Sweden. Yes guys, we are back. We are going on a small adventure. I will follow a hiking trail called Bohusleden. That is a long distance hiking trail in western Sweden that stretches over 370 kilometers from Lindome, just south of Gothenburg, all the way up to Strömstad, near the Norwegian border. I will take you through some deep forests, over rocky hills, past lakes and remote wilderness. Perfect for me and anyone else who really wants adventure. In this video I will just go 24 hours in this path. So join me for this adventure through this beautiful and challenging trail. Hey, I found a waterfall. But we are still a little bit lost, so I try to find my way to something called Bohusleden. But I'm lost at the moment, not really lost, but I want to take a shortcut. But here is a waterfall. One waterfall. Yes, the path I want to go to is up on the top of the waterfall. So I tried to reach the top of the waterfall, but was too dangerous for me. So I need to go another way, and it's 90 minutes. So wish me good luck. And I'm going to pass a golf course, so maybe I will get a golf ball in the head. I don't know which one is the most risky, the golf course or climbing the waterfall. But now I'm going to backtrack for 90 minutes. Not really backtrack, but hike another way for 90 minutes. So then I will reach the point where I was supposed to start from. That is everything. I did never plan my trip. I just planned my bus stop, and I thought it was easier to reach the Bohusleden from that bus stop. But yeah, but it was a very good, very beautiful waterfall here. But now we're going to go to the real Bohusleden. Yeah, so now we are on the right path for real. I'm going from something called Grandalen to Bottenstugan. It's 7.5 kilometers, and it says on the map it can be quite hard, but very beautiful. I will stop for lunch somewhere here, and I plan to sleep around Bottenstugan tonight. So yeah, so everything goes as plans, almost. A little bit of a detour to the golf course and the waterfall, but it was nice. But now we will start hiking. Yes, I think I found my lunch spot for today. If you look in front of me, it's really, really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, what did you think about this spot? I really like this spot for lunch. And here you can bring your sleeping bag and sleeping mattress, and you can sleep in this one for free. The nature in Sweden is free. And here we have one small lake. Really nice. I'm really hungry now. Yeah. But this is something I really like about Sweden. You can just go out 1 hour from one big city, and then you are in places like this. You feel the nature. You cannot feel the nature, but I'm feeling the nature. Yeah, let's go for lunch. So what did I bring for lunch? In my small backpack. You will see, you will see. Here I have my food package. So I have 3 kind of foods. We'll have to this one. Pasta Fuji. Or some pasta alle noci. And goulash soup or something. I think I will go for pasta Fuji. This one. Yes, so time to cook some food. Yeah, so I have this very easy to bring with you. A little bit of gas, and I also have a water filter as well. I highly recommend you to have a water filter or water tablets, so you can have clean water. And of course we choose this one, as I told you before. And some dessert, green tea. But I also found, look what I found in this vindskydd. I don't know the English word, but I found a guitar. Looky. So you can have a real campfire here. See what's more. I think I will have this for dessert. Some strawberries. Yeah, dadlar, vedals, or something. Now I'm talking real Swedish, I think. But a lovely day to be outside in Sweden. So yeah, I'm still waiting for my lunch. And then just wait a couple of minutes, and then we have a lunch ready for eating. Yum. So 8 minutes later, my lunch is ready. Oh, look at this, my friends. Oh la la, ooh la la. Yeah, this one is really good. So I will eat up here, and then after that we will hike more, more and more into the forest in Sweden. Time to move on to another place in the forest. So I have packed up everything. Everything is cleaned here now, and we say goodbye to this small lake, and we say hello to my backpack. Yeah, here is it, my baby. Have been on a lot of adventures, but it's so big to travel with. This is perfect for hiking when you're bringing your tent and everything. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, this was a good place. Yeah, let's go. Yay! I found another lake here. Yeah, and our people are camping on the small island of this lake. Did you know Sweden have the most islands in the world? It's a cool fact, actually. I'm also thinking about camping somewhere in this neighborhood. Maybe up there. Maybe. Maybe I will hike for 1 or 2 hours more and find another good lake to camp. But I want to camp something similar like this, so hopefully I will find a good spot for me as well. So it's nice to have some activities here. Yeah, but I'm not solo. I'm solo, but there are other people in this forest as well. Yeah, so let's go and find somewhere to sleep and eat something more. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to my place for tonight, and I will show you around. Here is my small tent for 2 people, but I'm by myself, so maybe in the future I will share it with someone else. So here we have it, and I will also show you the kitchen area. So I'm boiling some water here, and I have already some tea. So this is where I will spend like 8 to 10 hours. And can you guess the time now? What is the time? Make a comment down below and I will tell you in a few minutes what the time is. So finally I reach a good place. Cheers!
Will I ever reach Lilla Edet, or will I be stuck in the woods forever? Who knows? And I will also thank you everyone who have watched the video to the end. Hopefully I will come back with a new adventure when I'm reaching Lilla Edet and eating some good food. See you then!